what can we do to change the situation esinayo. And ngiyajabula ukubona ukuthi today we also have artists, as we also have actors. Ukutshengisa ukuthi le fund lena is not just for artists, musicians, but it's for amaciko ethu at South Africa ayimisele. I remember working with Nathi for the first time, sihlanganisa yakhumbula sikokota isitimela saseZola. In a flat somewhere in Pretoria. Uthando nesineke uNathi asinikeza lona si-Durban's Finance sisebenza kuleya ngoma leyana kwasiza nathi ukuthi si-Durban's Finance ngempela sikwazi ukuthi sikhule. So irrespect enginayo for my brother right here kusayile respect le nganginayo le eqaleni akashintshile lo muntu lo. So travel all over the world. I mean, he's make his mark, but usakhumbula ukuthi we need to come back here at home and do something that can be able to help our artists. Ama-artists ekethi ahlupha-ke. Oh, hayi. Naba nje ngiyababona laphana. Igenge yakithi igqom. Ngibabongele kodwa ngoba ke hayi basebenzile abafana ngoba ipiano like lasimisa kabi. But bakwazi ukuthi babuyise isound ukuthi ngempela isiphilisayo la eSouth Africa or light eThekwini like KZN. Siyanqonqoza ke eIbiza sigqomo nathi. Siyeza ngoba just lokhu sishilo sithi uDucky Boy isikhokhe Durban asifuna ukuthi abe isikhokhe Durban la kuphela eKZN, but we need him to start traveling overseas and kill those shows. I mean, shout out to the three step gang. Abo Skambona, abo Dlala Thukzini, ngiyabona boys, you are doing amazing. You're traveling the world, and it's all in our hands now. We genre yethu ukuthi ngempela sibe focus, sibe discipline, and do music that is going to be appreciated all over the world. So sikhona ke la sithi namhlanje at Legacy Fund, where we're going to be able to try and help ama artists akithi. I mean, I think for me nje mangathiwa nje noma nje kuthiwa ama artists ama producers awu10 ngwakhela ama studios, I'm sure ukuthi khona into engaphuma. Futhi angifuni ukuthi ngithi mhlawumbe i-dance kuphela. Masithi artists ngiyabona khona noKhuzani la uzile uzosupport. Ngithi masithi artists sithi maskande sithi gospel sithi yonke into music, and nawo wonke umuntu oyiciko sithi thina siyimisela ukuthi do something that can be able to grow this industry. Esisenze sawo DJ Tira sakhuleka nje. So ke ngithi ke bafowethu, coming to you live from the 5th floor. Ay kupholiwe kwenziwa izinto ezizoshintsha umhlaba, kwenziwa izinto ezizoba ilegacy ngempela esizokhula siyibone sisho ukuthi hayi sisebenzile. Thank you again for you guys for coming to support us today. Yabona khona businessmen baseThekwini, abantu aba-own ama-restaurant, khona ama-promote music, khona everyone, khona nobhuti bethu esibasupportayo esibathembayo ngempela ukuthi basigadele itheku lethu. So ke ngithi ke Melon siyakukhulisa manje mfana. Thina siko 50. Wena siyakubona ukuthi uza kahle. Shout out for anywhere in the city. Yabona masoqhubeka. Yabona masizoqhubeka eThekwini eKZN sakhe ama properties azokwazi ukuthi asenze sishine kanje. I'm sure we're going very far. I mean, shout out to anywhere in the city, shout out to Soundland, shout out to all my events, my properties, Agro, and of course, shout out to Fact Durban Rocks. I remember a stage, you remember Sandra, a stage, you say Africa is not a jungle, Fact Durban Rocks some years ago. Memories, man, we've come so far, but we're here today, and once again, guys, 5th floor, sure.